We there for the area reports. This is not the voice of Chief Swore, Ratata Nation Day.
Yeah, man.
And we tell una say we want table some matter when we say they happen for inside our community. This our Lagos for our backyard here. And news when we say come out, when we say it make everybody, parents, guardians, even those who never born pick, everybody shock. Now the story when come out, according to the Nation newspaper, they bring out gist to come tell us say, you know, a school for inside VGC. They get a case when they say they penned for Chrisland schools, and a 10-year-old primary 6 pupil when they say allegedly was raped
of course, yeah, allegedly
during the school participation for the award school games when go down for Dubai a couple of months ago. Now they say the female Pekin na one among 76 pupils when represent the school for the event, and the event between March 8 and 14 2022. Not big Bangolo school, now the same school where the Mrs. Johnson children they go. Even I watched the thing for their Instagram when the papa escort the Pekin. So now Lagos State does shut down the school to go investigate. We don't talk to the commissioner of education and other commissioners when they involved, even the police people when they involved to investigate the matter. And everybody will be say we talk with, they say at least they want to know what it be the real story before they start the follow. Say, but the first thing first, now say they don't shut down the school because they don't want to say anything happen. Apparently, they say of the 71 pupils where we say they carry cover that Christian children, where we say go for the competition. Say now only this girl now work out from your own floor allegedly. When they don't say everybody go sleep, go the boys.
Only she now waka go there.
So
Okay.
one thing when they show na say they don't say it be like say chaperone all day, but we not fit guess until they finish their investigation.
Of course.
As we dey investigate the matter more, now we come find out say it be like say this thing wey happen, not be just one place it dey happen, not be only one school like this. Now just say now social media e don dey.
Yes.
So now we can follow some people when they brave and courageous to talk, because we no one come from the angora of whether na the school or whether na the parents or whether na the government or whether na the anything. We dey get the conversation today to talk with students when don't pass through this thing. I be say they take cope, whether if you call them sure or not. According to the law of the land, anything when we say pikin do, even if he agree say he want do am, so far I never reach the age of 14, where we say na be the age where we say you don't take past statutory rape. Now rape. Now we not want handle that one from there. We not want handle am from say these pikins they know wetin they do. The first thing first when we call them na wetin they be pikin. So we want see how e be say the state of the mind of the pikin can be arranged. And we get person when they brave to come enter the place to come talk with us. But more greedy one when they for studio. First of all, bros, we dey more hear your voice, we more feel your voice. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, I greet you. I greet you myself.
Oh yeah, special. One shankers day. Welcome, Moses.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So, good morning, my people.
Madam, morning to you.
Madam, good morning. No. Not be smarty. We just say we dey talk about this Chrisland school and survivors for all these kind sexual activities when they happen for school when parents know they know, and we tell our people say you go come to come explain as a survivor. So in your own words, what will be your name first? Introduce yourself, then maybe you give us your story.
Good morning, my people. My name now Obiamaka Chidima Azubike. Please forgive me because my pidgin not too good. So anything where I know fit talk for pidgin, I go talk am for English.
No, it's okay.
Well, I'm not there
So,
at all.
so I don't begin talk from December. Waiting happen. Waiting do me when I did secondary school for Olashure International School in 2004. So waiting do me bad. 13 of my classmates sexually assaulted me. And 2 days after that, they can't beat me. They can't beat me bad, so say my eyes swell, my face swell. I don't they tell the school, make they call my papa, they no agree, call them. Luckily for me, that time I get a twin sister. She can't find one person, mama, we come school, can't see Peking. Can't get phone, can't use her call my papa. Now so my papa knows say he get something we do me. School no call him. Boys beat me. Boys pull hand all over my body, pull hand inside my hand. School no do nothing. School can't punish me. Say they go take away prefectship from me. Say they go demote me to junior house. In fact, luckily for me, because say my papa know wetin happen, he come they fight school, come they write them letter. School can't get no choice but to do investigation. Can't see wetin I talk not true. But now 2004 now, they no fit talk true. But now where I can't be adult, I can't they fight them. Say they must do the right thing. Because if we no protect our pikin where they school, the same thing will continue. School suppose no say if person pikin day school, they get responsibility for the pikin where they school. People's parents keep them in school. In the school while they're there, the school has 100% responsibility to make sure that the child stays safe for school. And I know one here say, oh, they rape one pikin, they kill one pikin. Pikin they do wetin they not supposed do when they day school. It not supposed happen. Parents they pay, make their children they safe in plenty schools. But the schools no go do wetin they supposed do because money pass the pikin for their eye. And we not supposed let that kind of thing they happen. So I can't talk today. Make we can't address wetin schools they supposed do when it comes to pikin. And then the second bit be say, wetin all of us for society, wetin we go do, we go continue to protect pikin. Because it get wetin I they see recently where I know like, you know, even like say people they treat pikin like adults. And it not supposed be. So now wetin I can't say make we talk this morning. Make we as adults with this society now figure out how we go continue to protect pikin where God give us.
Thank you, first of all, Chiamaka, for coming in and being brave. Obiamaka, sorry. Now, the way my phone tell you, I no verse. I read that from back. Obiamaka, no verse.
Madam, sorry. How old were you then?
That's a good question.
I was 16 at the time. I did SS3.
And those boys, were they your age mates or classmates?
They were my age mates.
And all of them graduate, come out from the school. Nothing happened to them.
Nothing happened to them. In fact, now only one of them come beg me, call my phone 2010, come they beg me, saying, Mama, don't tell her, waiting he do no good.
Wow.
You know. So make I forgive them. The funny thing they say, God. You know, it got plenty of them we can't keep quiet now because they can't say, waiting they do bad. But it be like say one of them no yet too sabi waiting they do saying bad. It can't take me go court. He no sabi say, I get proof of waiting he do.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can't sue him.
Yeah.
Sure, he no sabi waiting he do as a pikin. He go sabi waiting he do as an adult.
Yeah.
We deal with a man for a year when we say in they work with survivors, especially those where they for space when they're supposed to be protected. Mr. Idama, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
You don't hear from Obi. You don't hear from Obi on. For what she talk, I beg in 30 seconds. Make we just get an idea from you.
The problem what we get now, even the shame culture where we promote, or the shame culture when it be say you do person something, but now the person supposed to feel the pain, now the person supposed to feel the shame, which is a very bad thing. It be like say you injure me, but you do me bad thing, but now me supposed to feel and pass.
They discuss the right of this Peking, yes, especially to be protected. Especially with new incidents when come out with the Peking when we say the girl child of 10 years old, when we say sex tape they work all around now for social media from Christian International School. A situation when happen when we say the school take the children, over 70 children go holiday, not people holiday, competition for Dubai. And now we dey talk with survivor. One of them on adore year from Ram, he own school now 2004. Now this thing happen to Ram. Just like this girl, she too, she be sharp picking, be prefect. Another year from Obiamaka. Obiamaka is still there, yeah? Obiamaka is still there.
I still there here, my people. I still there here.
Thank you. I just want me them to say you there. Again, thank you for sharing your story. Now we get a man when we say it take him of his own thinking. Say, as a Nigerian, I not belong to government, I not belong to anything. But you see, this thing when get to do with abuse and taking advantage of people in certain ways. I won't put that for my head. So, JP, please, the floor is yours. Introduce yourself and tell us about this thing when they say you do, when they say make everywhere bust online recently, Scanniversary. Tell us about that.
Thank you. So for my name is JP Dama. What thing we do for Scanniversary and say we help survivors. When we say survivors, we mean say like whether you don't go through abuse or you don't go through rape or anything when you don't go through where really put you under. We try help you see say this scar when this person puts on you, because most times not be only just say person beat you physically, if it be emotionally or whatnot. This scar when person give you no be your own. So we try to say if person they try shame you, make you give the person back that shame, make you return them back to sender. So what we do, we celebrate on like birthday. You know the way people they celebrate birthday or they celebrate anniversary. We celebrate people's scar now. We call it scar anniversary. So if person abuse you, go talk say today na the day 5 years ago I walk away from that husband when they maltreat me. Today na my anniversary. When they send them cake, we they throw party for themselves, celebrate them, and we they work with FIDA Ikorodu branch because they help women, they give them legal advices, legal counsel. So from my own research and from waiting we already find, and I say most of all these survivors the amount of silencing when did they go through, because if you think about person abuse you, person do this kind of thing to you, it reduce you, it reduce your self-esteem. Say you know if you come outside talk and even think yourself the abuse yourself not if come outside talk say hey I abuse person. They it be like say they inflict something upon you. So it's a very shameful thing. And in Nigeria where you do when you talk now, people go say why you still did that marriage, why you do this, because Nigeria they very easy to just push the blame, say why you still did that marriage, why you did there, why didn't you leave. But the factors many. From my experience, I speak to one woman when she celebrates her anniversary, she tell me say her marriage be like slave trade. Waiting she do her husband, not be like say she do her husband any major thing. Small argument here and there. If they date outside, next thing call me, they beat him. You don't want the relationship again. And then at the whole thing, they beat him from there. Now so she enter her own situation be that. You get other people when constantly their husband they use them as punching bags. This is more of domestic violence. Or some people serious emotional violence. And we get this kind of things where if you talk and come outside, people go say, manage them. Now so men be this, now so situation be. No, you're not supposed to use your life they suffer because say you want these situations like this. This abuse they reduce people. So from my own experience, we always encourage them, celebrate your freedom, celebrate say you come out from this kind of situation, because abuse not be something where you won't do under. And the society normally they perpetuate blame. They always blame the survivors, say now you their fault, now you there. We not think about the repercussion, what things they do to their mental health. That girl right now, imagine her her self-esteem go down reduce for many years, and she not get supportive family like the way Obi gets. She no go get people when go stand, but she no go fit come outside. She not go fit do certain things. Like when people they talk now, they look at them like say, I say the teachers they call them like stupid girl. Everybody go they laugh at for school. They go they see the girl some certain ways. But because say people not realize say this thing they inflict, they cause more harm for this girl. And whether she did her right senses or not, they don't by people laughing and throwing blames. They cause more harms. So that's what us we try fight for Scanniversary. We try celebrate the survivors. Say more now your scar.
You make this mistake, you pass through this thing.
Exactly.
It not be the end of you.
No be the end
not
of
be
you.
the end of you.
In fact, celebrate Scanniversary.
Nigeria, Lagos, the reason why they carry this thing they come now because the mindset of all these children, the boys and the girls. Yes, I say the boys too. I not believe say any boy wake up to come become part of a sex tape before they even turn 20. I not believe say any parents believe say their pikin go be part of something like this. But it don't happen. This not be the time when we go they blame children. This not the time when we say we go they protect them to make sure say unlike our time when we they make mistake when people not they say for camera, then they put her for internet. It no go be the mistake where we say go can't turn them into something else. Now back to you, Obi. You mentioned something when we say help you to survive your home. You say the structure for your family is join help. What else? From 2004 till now, which other structures when we say they in place, when we say people don't know for inside this our system, when we say it's supposed to help us take a monitor. Let's say your children won't go field trip. You suppose know the sharp runs, Abi. they must get chaperones, you supposed get the number for chaperone. Which structure you don't see in your experience when we say many of these schools, especially the schools where we say Lagos has they pay big money for, so that their children go make their mind rest when we say they make this kind of thing they happen?
You see, when that thing do me, the first thing where, and I know to understand as I be picking them, but now I be adults, I can see plenty places where people were supposed look me, they fail they fail well, and that thing affects me for the longest time, because when I see adults, I can't be say, so all these adults where they then they no fit protect me. And if not for my mama and papa, we did there that time, especially the way my papa be, because we did school where now big people picking, they go that school, and for 13 boys to be involved, you know, say now 13 families we stand gidigbam,
of course,
behind those boys,
of course,
plus the school we stand behind them, and not just my papa day. They shout with my mama, they protect me, say waiting una do my pikin. Social media no they then. Teachers, principal, Oyibo principal, we're supposed to talk true. Nobody agree talk true. If to say I no get twin sister, where as people won't beat me, she come they fight, come they remove people from my body, come they beat boys, as in they punch me, they kick me as I dey ground. I don't know waiting those people for do me. I don't know waiting those people for do me. Now, the first thing we say, when this thing happen, I know say I get safe space for house. I feel call my papa, they go help me. I feel call my mama, they go help me. If your children no fit call you, if they wahala, you don't fail be that. No be their parents you be. Now stranger you dey for road. If the first thing when you're picking they trouble, they no go fit call you, say, no matter what kind of trouble that won't be. If they fear to call you, say, mommy, daddy, you can't see waiting do me. You don't fail and be that. So you as a parent go make sure say your pikin trust you. And that is the thing. Your pikin consistently trust you. That thing where do me. I suppose go Obodo Igbo for university. Fear catch my papa, you know, because
he not release you.
He can be like, if anything happen, if no day. If he can't send me go private university, come they visit me, say, at least nothing to do in Peking where they private university. You know. And that thing consistently affects you as because these are your friends where will not go GS1, GS2, GS3 to SS3. You don't go fit trust people.
Of course.
Anybody will come your corner, you come they look them somehow, say, waiting this person want, this person go fit mess up anytime. So it get long-term damage with that kind of thing they do. But one thing will consistently help me be say, I know say that my family love me. I know go question them. If I wake up, they tap me, I say, those people love me.
So
and that thing they help person.
Family support, now one of the key things when you call. If you get to say something to the adults when we say supposed to the supervise owner for this area when we say, because this thing when we say you say happen to you allegedly now for a public space for the school when we say adults supposed to they present for, they supervise for. If you get a wish, if you have to go back now, what be the thing when you say you for wish say the adults when supposed to protect you do to make sure say this kind of experience you not go through?
Adults supposed to do waiting adults supposed to do. They for first of all, okay, this thing don't happen. Waiting we go do. We go make sure say we punish the boys we do say nobody go ever for in mind think say go do that kind of thing. But for this kind of schools, their reputation important to them pass. They no care say they wound girl that one she go fine. Now their reputation important to them pass, because if anything do their reputation, they no go get money from other children wey go come to school. And we dey see that constantly happen. We don't see all the release Chrisland don't like do. We don't see, all these other schools doing. Now to just keep people to continue they come to school. They no care say something do this child. And then now where government go step in. Government supposed do proper laws wey go protect children. Somebody disobey them, use them as scapegoats, shut the school down indefinitely. Others go learn. Pikin wound for your school. Pikin not just fit wound anyhow for your school. They open serious panel, punish people, shut the school down till there are, proper structures in place to make sure, say, person picking dey the school or person picking go safe.
Yeah.
But till then, no school go do anything. They go be like, they go shut us down 3 weeks. We go open.
So there need to be a punishment, a visible punishment.
Visible punishment.
As in for the school and even the perpetrators of that crime.
Meaning say even the children too, they're supposed to get a juvenile treatment.
Juvenile treatment. Okay. Juvenile treatment. Because if you don't get juvenile treatment, person no go know say wetin you do bad. And you see the problem. Person go carry this bad behavior where we they allow for Nigeria, go abroad, they go throw him inside jail. Because he never understand say wetin you do bad. He go carry that same bad behavior travel.
But I not believe say they not understand though, madam. I not just believe say they not understand say that thing bad.
Some people not know. Now waiting you know.
Because there be 13 guys.
We don't say Obi, I bet no vessel. Obi, I bet no vessel. Just pin this thing. We go come back after the break. Lagos, Nigeria. Now get opportunity to ask question. We go open the phone line. We're gonna ask the question one I want ask, and then we go do our best for inside here for this area report special to take follow up. This advert go take small though, but when we come back, we go table the matter. Don't go anywhere. Boko.
See, why I keep quiet since we started this particular conversation with these people, Bros, welcome,
Yeah.
Lagos, welcome.
And our auntie over
welcome.
there, thank you, right? Why I keep quiet because as a human being, I'm so annoyed, angry, I'm so mad. But of course, professionally, I shouldn't let that flow.
Yes,
but because I just feel for this particular lady. Imagine say okay, I don't need to say okay. Imagine she was my sister. For Christ's sake, she's a human being. She's a human being. For Christ's sakes, she's a human being. When 13 guys, when by now, so most of them should be fathers by now. So I wonder what sort of home they are building and what they will tell their children.
I like this thing when somebody come for our WhatsApp come talk. He say most of the blame, all they blame now on parents is supposed to be, not even the school first self, because some parents they're too busy to know what in their children they do, and that one will lead us into this last line of conversation, Obi. In your final thoughts, waiting parents supposed to do better, because it be like say some parents, why did they raise up their children? A lot of other parents be like say they go holiday and now they don't come back, all their children don't turn to small devil. I don't even know how to explain that. So in your experience, what the parents supposed to they do better? Because like you talk, now 13 different families.
Yes.
9 say was versus your own papa and your mama. And obviously they won. That means the badness is more than those when be say good.
Definitely.
So in your own opinion, what the parents supposed to do better?
And I think because a lot of I've been looking at a lot of conversations online and seeing people talk about, certain biblical examples. Sorry, my pidgin no reach this.
No worry, you can code switch, no problem.
So I think because of the fact that a lot of Nigerians lean on biblical examples, I would say that if we look at the Bible's description of what children are arrows shot into the world. So parents need to understand that children are not an extension of themselves. Children are God's gift to them. Like children are a gift God has given you. And God has given you this gift to ensure that they add value to the world, which is why the illustration of arrows shot into the world are used. Now, you are supposed to make sure that arrow is in the best condition to add utmost value into the environment that it lands in. And if that arrow is not in the best condition, then you have failed. Now, if you do not have the time, the resource to support and fully look after your children, then don't have them. There is nothing that says you have to have children. It is not compulsory. So I think we as all individuals, even we as young adults and people that don't have kids yet, before we make that decision to add children into our lives, we need to ask ourselves, why do we want children? If you want children for your own vanity, then please don't have them. Don't raise damaged children that go around and destroy other children. Please don't. And from a society point of view, because we can blame parents all we want, but if as a society we continue to adultify children, then children will continue to be raised wrong.
Though they act like adults when they never reach adult age. Though they do adult things
exactly. From like the really old men that chase underage girls and boys, from people that will post children who are victims of domestic violence. And I'm speaking to all of you that posted Osinachi's children's faces without considering the damage that it will do to those children in the future. To the adults that were sharing child pornography and distributing it, you all are contributing to a rotting society in the future, and you need to evaluate your role in it. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Obi. Thank you, Obi. For the work when you do JP assistance, how people fit reach out, especially when they won't get out of situations like this. They experience things like domestic violence. They experience, even because now what do you see, garbage in, garbage out. When these children see nonsense, that they reflect nonsense. And if they don't see anything, when go guide them, and now what they do, in your opinion and in your own space, just drop the places where they fit reach out to you, so that if person day when they listen to us now, when needs the kind of service una they provide, una fit provide them for them.
Yeah. So what we do now, say we work with FIDA Ikorodu branch, and they help you. So if you dey like abusive relationship and you won't come out, if you reach out to them for FIDA Ikorodu, if you reach out to us for Scanniversary online or Scanniversary stories, we help. Spell them. So just Scar and Anniversary, SCARNIVERSARY, Scanniversary. So, and I want make people to celebrate their Scanniversary. One thing when me I the advice now, the spirit of empathy, make people be empathetic to what people
they relate to other people,
relate,
walk in their shoes.
Yeah, exactly. Because if you feel another person pain, you know go day easy for you to just push blame. As this video come out and everything, everybody just say is this person. If you dey empathetic, you go like think about all the sides of the story.
Children.
Yeah, the children. Think about what you could do for their own life. Waiting your own words. If now your own picking uncle, it's not you did the situation uncle. So people, when it comes to abuse, many people not they realize all these factors and they say people just miss it and anyhow. So how you could put yourself in these shoes? How can you reach out? And if you're experiencing something like this, you have stories. You engage us on Scanniversary. We have legal support from FIDA Ikorodu branch, and they'll basically take it up from there.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Obi. We don't finish the area report. Some of when we say coming from inside the WhatsApp, he say this was a good morning, Rachif Swan, our guest. I feel very sorry for the kind of abuse when we say we talk about. So we parents, we need to do better to monitor our children and teach them sex education, starting from the homes, to enable them, make them know the effect of all the abuse when go fit compass in life. Thank you for speaking out and educating the world. Only she from barracks and she dey talk this one. This one come. He say he done the report.
That
okay
guy,
since
this person.
no worry.
This guy talking about that
merit school. We
you can play your role by walking up to that school and meet the proprietor. The proprietor is straight up. Yes, not wait for say until everybody go gather manager. You can walk because you are a parent. Walk up there and tell and say the principal.
No go flog the man.
Yes,
I say you want flog him.
You can walk up to the school.
But yeah, as they talk and say what happened to this lady, too bad, child abuse. Anyway, we go table. We'll take one call before we tie him up, or make we leave her like that. Lagos, Nigeria. More no verse say we no spread the bed sheet for area report. They touch too many places, but this matter, na state of emergency. Especially if you be parents, you be adults, you get pikin or you dey plan to get pikin. Una don hear from somebody when they brave enough to come out. Lagos State get places where be say if you stay go, if you be say you want talk to for inside the matter. Scanniversary people don't talk their own. But if you be say you want the numbers for domestic matter, in fact, make I go track and come out.
They always talk for yes. I am in full support of knowledge of self-defense. I
Sabi
support
am
them
o.
for schools, taekwondo, karate, judo in schools, primary, secondary schools.
They need to start am
Learn
from
this
young.
thing. Yes, please, because I always say this. Our mother now has a level
Go
of
do
knowledge of
pishan,
self-defense.
go
Without
shele
being able to
first.
take- Yes, for me take care of that situation to an extent.
Go fit shele first. For this other one when they on ground, that na matter when say we go wait make the investigators and all the government parastatals wey we don talk to them, don say they dey investigate. But in case you dey go through domestic and sexual violence situation, you get a minor small pikin wey be say you know for your area wey be say this thing dey happen to. Lagos state government dey get number. If I'm not giving her the sure one to madam, she say this one na red dot number. This one na 070 TV8 TV7 9705. Not go there go dey call dey beg o. If you no get important matter,
No call go beg for
dey
money,
beg.
no
No
beg
go
money,
dey
no
spoil
say
am for other people.
nothing, no.
Cause some of una just dey move wrong.
They go call beg money.